my bag video. Everyone wants to know what's in your backpack. I mean, oh my god, I'm shirtless. Or you can make a video of you being shirtless for 24 hours. I mean, spending 24 hours in the ocean, 24 hours in a car, 24 hours in the Tesla. I mean, all those kind of stuff. People want to see that, okay? You're gonna get more views. Make a do's and don'ts video, like always brush your teeth at night, and please do not leave your room as messy as me. Make a things needed for video, things needed for college, things needed for school. I mean, we all need laptops for college, I mean. Give a house tour, everyone wants to see what's inside your house. Show them around your house, okay? You're gonna get more views. Create a how-to video, how to make money off YouTube, how to make money off your store, how to make money. A how to get started video, how to get started on YouTube, how to start working from home, how to start going to school early. Self-tape auditions, auditioning for networks like Netflix, Nickelodeon, Disney Channel. I mean, people want to see how you audition, so you can post that on your YouTube channel and people are gonna view it. I mean, you're gonna get more views and more subscribers and likes and all that stuff. Vlogging day or week in my life video. I mean, like, people want to see what you do in a day, so you can tell them. You can tell them your schedule, what you eat for breakfast, like your procedures you do every day. So you can just tell them, because people want to know what you do, so you're gonna get more subscribers if you do that, because people can't mind their business, you know. I mean, Q&A or a mukbang video. Tell the viewers a little bit about yourself, because people want to know about you. Why should the viewers subscribe? You can do a reaction video, like reacting to a music video, reacting to this video, or any type of video. I mean, reacting. People want to see other people's reaction to something they've watched, okay? Breaking news! A boy named Jesse Bull Charles wants you guys to subscribe to his YouTube channel. So you guys can subscribe to his channel. Like, I'm subscribed to his channel. So you guys, please subscribe! A transformation video, like, it mustn't always be transformation of the body. It can also be a transformation of a house. Like, look at this. A product comparison video, like comparing two cameras, like comparing an iPhone to a high quality camera, like comparing this house to this house, like that kind of stuff. Okay guys, so that is like the few ideas I could get. I'm gonna be putting the rest of the ideas down in the description below, so you guys can check out more YouTube video ideas, so you guys can apply to your videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like the video and also subscribe, and I'm gonna be posting as frequent as I can, because you guys literally watch the video from the beginning to the end. Like, why would you subscribe? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Bye.